Good morning, sir. I have a question. Can we feel the presence of Lord Krishna in these times? If yes, then how?
Absolutely. We can definitely experience presence of Krishna even today. Before finding out the way, let's try to explore what are the requirements for that. That is important to understand. See, there was a time of uncertainty during the Mahabharata era, like we have today. And in those circumstances, Krishna was present with the Pandavas. Those Pandavas were not mere people, they were the attributes, five attributes. And due to those attributes, Krishna was present with them. Firstly, Yudhishthir, who was prudent, pious, and a righteous man, who knew what to say, when to say, how to say, and to whom it should be said. One must try to develop these quality first. Practice being a very good listener. Hence, you shall have a good rapport in the society. Along with that, you must be a righteous person also. For the second attribute, take strength, that denoted by Bhim. Not just physical strength, the strength of good deeds acquired from doing the right things, mental strength, austerity, the strength of your character. This should also be present in you. If you have these characteristics, then you will definitely get closer to Krishna. And thirdly, a very important attribute that we can learn from Arjun, concentration. You might have heard the story where Arjun was asked by Guru Drona, "What can you see?" Arjuna replied, "I can see only the bird's eye." Similarly, if you are so focused on Krishna that you can see only Him, then definitely you can get nearer to Krishna. There is one more thing to learn from Him: devotion, bhakti. After all, there must be something in his devotion that Lord Krishna chose him to show his Virat Swarup. Arjuna was so fortunate that he first spent his life in following Krishna, and then he got the Vishwa Swarup Darshan. So, first develop these attributes in yourself. Next, Nakul, who was known for his charming beauty. Not the outer beauty, instead, the beauty of your persona, the beauty of your spirituality. You want to experience Krishna's presence? Then develop these qualities. Through your charms, not only yours, but the whole society's reputation and radiance should enhance, reach up to that level. Now, Sahadev, the denotion of tolerance. Quit being stubborn and don't ask for the things rigidly. Don't think that you have to see Krishna and that's it. No. Instead, if you start thinking with patience that I am devoted to Krishna and remain so throughout my life, and if Kanhaiya will please, he will give me darshan, otherwise not. Unanimity of your goal, that is tolerance. These are the 5 qualities. Imbibe them in yourself. You will directly feel him. This is the only key to Krishna darshan and the best form of spirituality. You want to experience Krishna? You definitely will. Okay?
Thank you, sir.